bridge thing. You go over it.
Here we are on the Capilano walk in Vancouver. It's some suspension bridges in the middle of like a semi-rainforest, and it's really enjoyable. There's about 7 bridges in the big main bridge, so certainly something to put on your itinerary. A great day to a few hours here with the kids. Great fun, or on your own. Really good.
That 143 is an international symbol for I love you. Did you know that? So you can just 143 anybody, anytime, right? Lovely. There are places all throughout the city, which is really great. We've got one block to walk down to the scenic block, and have a look at some of the
the way of honoring our local craftspeople and artists, and so they changed the name to Granville. A bit about what you're drinking. So try. Have you had chai before? So on the note of bringing us all together and food, I have an assignment. I have a question. If you could let me know your favorite foods.
asked for Manuela, right?
Exactly, she's used to
She's an actress.
All right, so everyone here from my group, you want to cozy on in station. So Thai tea. We had the sourdough bread from Para Bread. Then we moved to the cheese shop with the 4 different types of BC cheese. We had Hobbs Harry style pickles. We had the Oyama charcuterie board. Then we went to seafood and had the 2 different types of salmon. And we had our Thai, and then we switched to sweet, and we had bubble bombs, the Australian lemon square, the macaron, the coffee, and the dough.
Well, here we are cycling through Stanley Park. It's pretty amazing in Vancouver. A great way to see Vancouver. Just hire a bike. I've cheated with an e-bike today, but yeah, can see some beautiful scenery. We're just going along the waterfront here and heading into Stanley Park. So yeah, great fun. So here at Stanley Park, there's a little point that you can stop to see these beautiful totem poles behind me. They're really significant, so they're really worth the stop and coming and checking out their history.
Ten-year plan in place in 2010 to be the greenest city in the world. We're not the greenest, we're the 9th greenest, but we're super stoked about that. This included bike lanes everywhere. As you can imagine, the bike lanes are incredible here. It's why it's such a great bike city.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Suite 1.
Thank
There
you.
you are. Welcome aboard. Perfect. Good morning. Not bad. How are you?
Morning, how are you?
Good. We're just gonna head up the stairs on the
Thank you.
right.
I just hit on the Rocky Mountaineer. I'm so excited. Such a bucket list for me.
Limit of 10 miles per hour just for the safety of all those railroad workers.
And then one with extra pesto sauce on the side. Ovens, we've got the shed
where it all
to keep things
happens.
nice and hot.
Yeah, wow.
And this is like kind of the server station here where we're making drinks and getting things ready, setting tables.
Yeah.
And then a coffee station, but you will not find 1 square inch that is not in use.
Certainly a bucket list trip for me. This morning was an early start at 6 a.m, but well worth it, and looking for some wonderful landscapes soon on our way to Banff.
With their annual salmon run. So if you look down, just there on the right-hand side of the canyon there, you can see that kind of box there. That's what is known as a fishway. So they built those for our salmon friends to swim through, so they don't have to go through those rough